shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Burlington, Graham, Roxboro, Mebane, Elon, McLeansville, Gibsonville, Haw River, Swepsonville, Alamance, Carr, Union Ridge, Lake Cammack Park and Marina, Lake Burlington, Glen Raven, Schley, Bushy Fork, Altamahaw-Ossipee, Altamahaw and Lake Mackintosh Marina. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Guilford, Orange in person,